AI engineer is the hottest job in tech right now. The average salary is over $200,000 and companies are desperate to hire. But what skills do you actually need? What's the roadmap from zero to hired? In this video, I'll give you the complete AI engineer roadmap for 2026. Step by step, no fluff. Section 1. What is an AI engineer? It's not the same as a machine learning engineer. ML engineers train models from scratch. That requires a PhD and months of work. AI engineers build applications using pre-trained models like GPT-4, Claude, and Llama. You focus on APIs, prompt engineering, RAG pipelines, and integrating AI into products. You ship features in days, not months. Section 2. Foundation skills. Python is the language of AI. You need to be fluent, not just know the basics. You need to understand APIs and REST because that's how you talk to AI models. Git and GitHub are non-negotiable. Every team uses version control. And you need basic ML concepts: what are embeddings, tokens, context windows, and how transformers work at a high level. Section 3. LLM APIs and prompt engineering. This is the core skill of every AI engineer. You need to know OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, and Google Gemini APIs. Not just one, all of them. Master prompt engineering, system prompts, few-shot examples, chain-of-thought reasoning. Learn structured outputs with JSON mode and function calling. And always think about cost. The right model selection saves thousands. Section 4. RAG and vector databases. RAG is the #1 most asked skill in AI engineering interviews. You need to understand embeddings, vector databases, chunking strategies, and evaluation. Learn at least 2 vector databases, one managed like Pinecone and one open source like ChromaDB. Master different chunking approaches and always evaluate your RAG system with the Ragas framework. Section 5. AI agents and tool use. Agents are LLMs that can take actions autonomously. They can search the web, execute code, call APIs, and chain multiple steps together. Learn LangGraph for complex agent workflows and Crew AI for multi-agent systems. And definitely learn MCP, the Model Context Protocol. It's becoming the standard for connecting AI to tools and data sources. Section 6. Deployment and MLOps. Building AI is the easy part. Deploying it to production is where most people struggle. Learn Docker to containerize your apps. Use FastAPI to serve them. Monitor everything: latency, cost per query, and output quality. And always add guardrails. Prevent harmful outputs, block prompt injection attacks, and handle edge cases gracefully. Section 7. Portfolio projects. These 5 projects will make your portfolio unbeatable. Start with a RAG chatbot that answers questions about your own resume. Then build a multi-agent research tool. Create an AI code reviewer as a GitHub app. Build a production API with a monitoring dashboard. And contribute to an open-source AI project. Each project should have a GitHub repo, live demo, and clean code. Section 8. Interview preparation. Companies ask 4 types of questions. System design: design a RAG system that handles 1 million documents. Coding: implement embedding search from scratch. Prompt engineering: they'll give you a broken prompt and ask you to optimize it live. And trade-off questions: when should you use RAG versus fine-tuning versus agents? Know the pros and cons of each approach. Section 9. Salary and job market. AI engineer salaries in 2026 are insane. Junior roles start at $120,000 to $160,000. Mid-level ranges from $160,000 to $220,000. Senior AI engineers can earn over $350,000. And the best part? Most positions are remote-friendly. Look on AI-jobs.net, LinkedIn, and Y Combinator's work at a startup board. Every company from Anthropic to small startups is hiring AI engineers right now. The AI engineer role is real, it's high paying, and the demand is exploding. You now have the complete roadmap from foundation skills to landing your first job. If this roadmap helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more AI career content. Drop a comment with where you are on this roadmap. Let's build the future together. See you in the next one.